Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to create this quick effect. You can throw it on basically any transition, bit hit, stuff like that. So let's start right away. Start by creating an adjustment layer and placing it right above your footage. Now find the moment where you want the effect to happen. For me, that's going to be in between these two videos. Move 3 frames to the left and trim the adjustment layer. Then move 6 frames to the right and trim it again. So now you've got a 6 frame adjustment layer. Apply directional blur to the layer. Change the direction to 70. Keyframe blur length, increase it to around 50. Now this part is important. You want to apply alpha adjust and check ignore alpha. This basically removes the edges caused by the blur. Now apply lens distortion. Keyframe it at the start and at the end to 0. Then go in the middle and decrease it to something like -40, -50. Usually works well. And for the last effect, apply brightness and contrast. Keyframe them to 0 at the start and at the end. Then right in the middle you want to increase the brightness to around 50 and contrast to 25. That quick flash adds a bit more impact to the whole effect. And for the finishing touch, I'm going to add Picture Collage Effects. This is actually my editing pack. You can check it out in the description. And I created this template because I love collage effects so much. If you follow me for some time now, you probably could notice that I've done so many collage tutorials. And I finally created my own editing pack where I have a full control of how I want effects to show, so it runs smoothly, and of course to save time on editing, which is the #1 thing for me as an editor and content creator. The beauty of this pack for me is not only the visuals that appear beautifully on the screen, but how simple it is to use them. All I have to do is replace the images by simple drag and drop method, and my effect is done. I just saved a ton of time. So if you're someone who likes collage style effects and are looking for some easy drag and drop templates, I would highly recommend you check out Picture Collage Effects. I'll have it linked down below. And that's it. You got yourself a nice transition to add in the next video, and it takes like 1 minute to make. It's really great for any type of video. I really like this one. If this helped, feel free to throw a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.